चौड़िया में एक शो जहाँ पे मैं गाने गा रही थी, अदरवाइज उससे पहले सिर्फ कोरस गाती थी मैं. तो इट वॉज माई फर्स्ट टाइम दैट टाइम एंड वॉज वेरी नर्वस. आई वॉज एक्सट्रीमली, मैंने हर कुछ किया, गर्म पानी ये वो सब किया, बट वॉइस वॉज कम्प्लीटली गॉन, सिर्फ हवा आ रही थी. सो एंड आवर डियर प्रदीप सर वॉज हेडिंग द टीम बैंड, सो आई थिंक ये सब भी थे, आई रिमेम्बर. तो प्रदीप सर ने एक ही बात बोली मुझे, सब भूल जाओ, जब तुम स्टेज पे आओगी और माइक हाथ में पकड़ोगी तो डायरेक्ट ऊपर कनेक्शन हो जाएगा, यू डोंट हैव टू वरी, उसके बाद भगवान देख लेंगे. सो दिस थिंग आई वांटेड टू कन्वे टू यू ऑल. उस दिन से आज तक whenever I am in that kind of a situation, मैं वही बात याद करती हूँ. And you believe it or not, उस दिन from the minute I stepped onto the stage, I belted out all my songs and they were all fine. किसी को कुछ पता नहीं चला कि आवाज बैठी है. And after I finished my songs, after that for 2 days आवाज पूरी बंद. मतलब nothing, I could hardly talk. Yeah, so these are, I mean, experiences as a singer. I think we all should share our experiences. That is how we get the confidence. So this is one thing. And मैं हमेशा बोलती हूँ, पहले आप तानसेन बनो, फिर तानसेन बनना. So listening is very very important. Listening to other songs and listening to what you are singing. हमको कई बार लगता है, I don't like to listen to my own voice. I personally also feel that. अरे someone plays my song, I say, hey please, I don't want to hear my song, because कुछ होता है कभी कभी. Some people have that. So but it's very necessary to always go back and hear what you have sung. Only then you will get to understand what are your mistakes, where you can improve, and keep listening. That is how I learn a song. अगर कोई नया गाना है which I have to learn, I just start listening to it. I don't go to sing and try sing those harkats and all that. No. Just listen, listen, listen. The more you listen, the more the brain will absorb. So always make sure you listen to a song. और कई बार कोई मुश्किल हरकतें होती हैं, जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल, मैं क्या जानूं क्या जादू है, के.एल. सहगल सर्स सॉन्ग. सो ये सारी चीज़ें जब मैं छोटी थी तो ये सब आता नहीं था मुझे, बिकॉज आई एम एक्चुअली नॉट फॉर्मली ट्रेन्ड, टू बी फ्रैंक. दो माई पेरेंट्स पुश्ड मी अलॉट, जाओ यहाँ जाओ वहाँ जाओ, दे ट्राइड एवरीथिंग, बट आई वॉज लाइक नो, I don't want to go. I used to make some excuse. But then that doesn't mean I didn't learn. I did learn from songs like which have been sung by Lata ji, Asha ji, S. Janakamma, K.S. Chitramma, Kishore Da, Rafi Sahab, सबके गाने बहुत सुनती थी. My parents, my mother especially, she used to make me listen to songs. सुबह होते ही put on the tape recorder and the songs. So listening has really had a big impact on my singing. So, and ये जो as I came in as a profession, no, I took music as profession. I started learning small things like the harkat that I told you. If you're not getting it, पूरा tempo slow कर दो उसका. मैं क्या जानूं क्या जादू है, थोड़ा थोड़ा थोड़ा, then increase the tempo. मैं क्या जानूं क्या, मैं क्या जानूं क्या जादू है. So everyone asks me, you have not learnt classical, how come you sing? So these are all basically, एक तो होता है God gift, definitely I agree with that. God gift होता है, और एक अपना एक तरीका ढूंढ लो चीजें सीखने का. That's what, तो वो मैं बहुत सुनती हूँ ना, तो उसका इम्पैक्ट है. So just keep listening to the songs. That is the first step. और एक बात बोलनी थी. Make sure you know the scale, the pitch of the key of your song. Whenever any song, make sure. अभी तो it is very easy. You have so many applications. You just hum the sa of a song and you get the pitch. So make sure you know what you're singing. So that habit will make you a little more professional in what your passion is. So just passion है तो ऐसे ही गाना, it's okay, but at least थोड़ा you can make an effort to start learning something. That will make a huge difference in your performances. Yes, so I think these are a few points that I
Very nice,
felt.
very nice.
I think some questions are there.
Yeah, please.
Yeah, this question is running for my mind for like almost like long time.
Okay.
So when I practice at home, for example SPBs or whoever it is, the range he has, without the mic, I was not able to reach.
Hmm.
So I get strained.
Hmm.
What I do